So I will commemorate Ignacio Rodriguez Iturbe. He passed away at age 80 in 2022. He was our only member in hydrology. Water is of great importance to our academy since food and agriculture are an essential necessity for mankind. He graduated as a civil engineer in 1963 in the University of Zulia, Venezuela, and he taught in the Simón Bolívar University for 20 years. He also had a degree from Caltech, and for several decades was then a professor in Princeton University, a member of the NAS and many academies. Rodriguez Iturbe modeled mathematically the interaction between climate, soil, vegetation, and water networks. He found that, for example, precipitation of water is influenced by soil moisture in river basins, and that the vegetation is crucial in his mathematical models. An interesting aspect is that he described how globalization of trade has resulted in exports of water across continents. The export of soybean has resulted in major transfers of water between continents where water is abundant, in places such as Brazil, Argentina, and the USA, that became major exporters of water to Asia, in particular China. This, in fact, led to even more efficient use in water, although in the case of Brazil, at the cost of the great cost in the Amazon basin. So water for human consumption, turns out, is a small fraction, with most of the water going to agriculture, and a fraction of that, which is the most important, goes to irrigation. So that's what I learned from studying his life. Ignacio, also on the personal side, he came from a distinguished Catholic family in Venezuela. He and his wife were supernumerary members of the Opus Dei, which means the work of God. So there are only 75,000 such members worldwide, and so for a real practicing Catholic such as him, I know because I knew him here, being in this academy was a wonderful gift. He lived a full life, and he will be missed in the academy that he valued so much.